Good evening and welcome to the German Perspective. We begin tonight with significant economic news from the United States, where a pivotal decision has been made regarding the leadership of the nation's central bank. The United States Senate has officially confirmed Kevin Warsh as the new chair of the Federal Reserve, a move that has sparked both praise and concern across the political spectrum. This appointment is crucial as the Federal Reserve plays a vital role in setting monetary policy, influencing everything from inflation to employment and economic growth. The confirmation vote, which took place earlier today, May 13, 2026, saw senators approve President Donald Trump's preferred candidate by a margin of 54 votes to 45. The vote largely followed strict party lines, with the Republican-dominated Senate firmly backing Warsh, a former Federal Reserve governor. His appointment marks a significant moment for the central bank, with his tenure as chair set to begin in just a few days. The term of the current chair, Jerome Powell, is scheduled to conclude this coming Friday. This confirmation follows weeks of intense debate and scrutiny within Washington. At the end of April, a key banking committee within the Senate had already given its initial green light to Warsh's nomination. During that committee vote, all 13 Republican senators present voted unequivocally in favor of President Trump's candidate, while all 11 Democratic senators cast their votes against him. This stark division highlights a broader ideological split concerning the future direction and, crucially, the independence of the United States' central bank. Democrats have voiced considerable apprehension, fearing that Warsh's appointment could fundamentally compromise the treasured independence of the Federal Reserve. Their warnings center on the potential for increased political influence over critical monetary policy decisions, a concern significantly amplified by President Trump's past public demands for interest rate cuts from the central bank. Critics explicitly suggest that Warsh might be inclined to reduce interest rates to appease the president, even if such actions could risk exacerbating inflationary pressures within the economy. For his part, during his extensive Senate hearing, Kevin Warsh firmly denied any suggestion that President Trump had attempted to pressure him to lower the benchmark interest rate. He maintained his commitment to the Federal Reserve's mandate. Republicans, meanwhile, have consistently lauded Warsh as an experienced and highly capable candidate, asserting he is well suited to lead the Federal Reserve through current and anticipated economic challenges. They frequently highlight his previous experience as a governor on the Federal Reserve's board, underscoring his qualifications for the top post and his deep understanding of central banking operations. The outgoing chair, Jerome Powell, has been a frequent target of President Trump's criticisms regarding the central bank's monetary policy decisions. However, Powell will not be entirely stepping away from the institution. Following Warsh's assumption of the chairmanship, Powell plans to transition into a new, significant role as a regular board member of the Central Bank Council. This influential council plays a crucial role in regularly deciding the benchmark interest rate, meaning Powell will continue to be involved in the critical discussions that shape the nation's economic future, albeit in a different capacity. This ensures a degree of continuity and institutional memory within the Federal Reserve. The confirmation of Kevin Warsh ushers in a new era for the Federal Reserve, an institution whose decisions ripple across global financial markets. Observers worldwide will be closely watching his initial moves, particularly concerning interest rate policy and how he navigates the delicate balance between maintaining economic stability and managing potential political pressures. The implications of this appointment could resonate deeply across global financial markets and the everyday lives of citizens in the United States and beyond, affecting everything from mortgage rates to business investment. The question now is, what impact will Kevin Warsh's leadership have on the Federal Reserve's cherished independence? And what's your take on his future policy direction?